As this question came to me when we are doing the previous strokes. So where the movement comes from, where that movement, so which part leading the movement? Is our elbow or our shoulder or our hands? To answer that question, let's try it together. In the same vertical lines, however, let's try to use our shoulders. So we are sitting upright and try to feel the movement coming from the shoulder, and let's draw the same stroke. What that feels for you. You can do a few more. And now let's put attention on our elbow. So our shoulders are relaxed and try to feel we are reaching up and bring the movement down with the more attention on our elbows. So our arms reaching up and coming back. And how about our hands? If we can hold our hands like more firmly, and we can feel the grippings more strongly. And how does that affect your brush movement? So we have studied formal script since the last few classes. And now I will introduce another script, another style in calligraphy that's called semi-cursive script. So I will show you an example from a masterpiece first on the screen, and let's have a look at the sample. Let's do a close study. Let's see this semi-cursive script. Can you still see the formal script? You can see 4 strokes, the vertical one, the horizontal, vertical, and 2 diagonal strokes. However, there are some subtleties, different nuances within each of the lines, each of the stroke. For example, the horizontal stroke. And you see the touchdown are softer, and the transition are more smooth from 1 to 2, right? And the 3, we can even see the sweeping off. We can see the movement of the ending, the 3, lead to this 1 again, right? And we can see how, we even can see the indication of how this movement ends from 1 stroke and lead to the next. And you see the vertical stroke, how it lands here, so we can see the movement almost. And get ready for the touchdown. So the touchdown, 1, see the dewdrop, and then the smooth transfer to the 2, sliding down, and 3, and come back to the 2 diagonal stroke. Okay, isn't that beautiful? You can see the lines. So for semi-cursive scripts, the lines has that softness elements inside. It's more forgiving and it indicates the movement more than the formal script. Okay, now I will show you how I write this semi-cursive stroke. So the brush flow. So my brush come back this way and finding the touchdown. So from the sample, we can see there's a movement coming from this direction. And there's a gentle dewdrop shape. And then it come back to and increasing a little bit pressure while sliding. That's 2. And then 3, my brush ending, instead of coming back, I'm coming this way because I'm looking for the next touchdown. So the brush naturally sweeping off this way and looking for the next touchdown. This is here. And my brush up again, doing another dewdrop shape. Here. And sliding down, up again, and 1 and 2. And come back here to the starting point. Okay, I will show you again from another angle. Okay, so that's the brush flow between the 4 strokes. Shall we try? Let's try this semi-cursive script and feel the difference between the nuances, the gentleness, the softness in this stroke, in the strokes. If you like the way I teach and are interested in learning East Asia calligraphy, please check out our online program, The Meditative Art of East Asia Calligraphy. The link is in the description. I'm looking forward to practicing with you.